On top with tori for today. Onto Covid-19. Presido Buhari don tell Nigerian Governors Forum to make them join hands together take work with Presidential Taskforce on top coronavirus disease. Presido Buhari don yarn say make governors dey put body for the work wey the Presidential Taskforce dey do unto this Covid-19 matter, sake of say na together we go fit take fight this yamayama disease. Im talk this one on top the online meeting wey im do with Nigerian Governors Forum wey shele on Monday. Presido Buhari talk say the Presidential Taskforce don come follow am talk on top how dem plan to take continue the fight against this yeye disease. Say the disease pass technology, power and resources unto say countries wey get all these things yafu na im dey get the highest number of cases. Na this one come make am talk say make state governors join hand with Presidential Taskforce to fight this yamayama disease. Buhari talk say make dem continue to dey educate Naija pipo and make the pipo too dey follow laws wey dey ground on top how to stop coronavirus disease. For the meeting, dem discuss economic and security matter and dem come clap hand for Presido Buhari unto the ogbonge work wey im dey do on top this Covid-19 matter. Na here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. As Naija Presido Buhari don tell Nigerian Governors Forum say make dem join hands together take work with Presidential Taskforce on top Covid-19. Make una sabi say na T Live Media na carry this ogbonge informate dey come give una.